The purpose of this training is to discuss sales tax, or in Canada the GST, the General Services Tax. They're both handled exactly the same way. To begin with, we will go to our plant product definitions to start with and enter a non-plant product. Now at this point you can name your sales tax or GST anything you want. Just simply enter one line under your non-plant products right here. Now that once that's entered, the next step will be to describe what that amount might be for specific customers. So if you have a sales tax that's different in different regions, then you'll have that option of applying it to customers in one state or in one, for example, in certain boroughs in New York, or in certain provinces in Canada, the sales tax is different. So what you can do is click into any specific customer. Now I went to the order screen. You can get to the customer from the order screen, or just simply go into the customer and put in what the tax rate is going to be for that customer. That is an optional thing, but what that allows us to do is calculate that amount for you and tell you what it's going to be when you're in the order. The next step of setup is to go up to Program Setup and tell us what the sales tax category is. So go to Order Features, and then right here where it says Sales Tax Code, select the sales tax code. This will be a list of all your non-plant products. Put in what the sales tax code is. When we post to the general ledger, this allows us to take those sales tax amounts and put them to the right account number. At this point now, the next thing to do is just simply to go into an order. Now I'm going to go into one that has not been shipped. So in order to assign sales tax, it's just simply like assigning any other line item. So I'm going to go down and just begin to type GST. So GST comes in, I can select it, there's no amount. I'm going to default it to item 1. Now the price amount is calculated right down here at the bottom. See where it says tax total $39.36. So at this point I would just type in $39.36. So it doesn't actually put it in this line for you, but it calculates it right down below based on whatever you put in for this customer's tax rate right here. So again, you can double click on the bill too if you want to put that tax rate in, and you enter it here. That's all there is to it.